Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to secure your Microsoft account, the best and essential protection tips that you need for your Microsoft account. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to the video. Right here on my Microsoft account, first of all, make sure you log into your Microsoft account with your Microsoft account username and password. After you log into your Microsoft account, next thing you need to do is to simply navigate to the sidebar right here where you have security. Click on security and you'll be redirected right here. And then here you will need to verify your account. So enter your email verification right here. Then once you enter your email verification, then click on send code. Then you have to head over to the mail and check on the code. So here is the code right here. I will simply click on it. Then I have the code right here. I will simply highlight and make sure I press Ctrl C to copy the code. And I have to hand over back here and press Ctrl V to paste the code. Then it will automatically connect. So it's going to take us right here. Then here, this is where you need to secure your Microsoft account for against any attacker. One of the great things you can do here is that you need to make sure you come to the two-factor verification right here. Click on two-step verification and then make sure you turn it on. If you have not turned on your two-step verification, this is very much important as you get notification for each time you are trying to sign in into your Microsoft account or someone else is trying to sign into your Microsoft account. So as you can see right there, I've already turned on this particular two-step verification, and then it's that simple. Then one more thing you can do here to secure your Microsoft account here is that make sure you had a sign-in verification mail right here. From the tutorial right here, you can see I have two email right here that has been linked to my Microsoft account. So each time I want to log into the account, then I'll be able to receive a verification code, just like what you see in the beginning of this video. So make sure you add your mail. If you have not added your mail, make sure you click on add a new way to sign in and verify your account. So then you will have to enter your email address. Then you can enter any of email that you have access to. This is just for verification code for each time you want to access to your account. And here, and it's that simple. Then one more thing here is that you make sure you always update your Microsoft password right here. For you to change your password regularly, click on change right here and you will be taken to a new page whereby you need to fill in your old password here, fill in your new, retype your new password and hit on save, and the password is going to save. This is another way by which you can improve the security on your Microsoft account. Two-factor authentication should be turned on, and at the same time, always update your login password for your Microsoft account. Okay. The very last tip I would like to share with you as far as Microsoft account security is concerned is to scroll down right here and make sure you always check on your devices that you use to log in. So click on view my devices right here. From the bottom right here, click on view my devices. When you click on view my devices, it's going to take you to all the devices that are having access to your Microsoft account. So if you take note of any devices that is very strange to you right here, it simply means that someone is spying on you and they are reading your mail without even your consent. What you need to do is to make sure you review the devices and make sure you remove it from your login activity in your Microsoft account. Just like what you see right here, this is my name right here and my PC detail. You can click on see details right here. This will give you information about your login detail in your Microsoft account. It's that simple. So this is one of the best way and the security tips for your Microsoft account that you need to pay proper attention to. The first one I was able to explain in this video is your two-factor authentication. Make sure you turn on your two-factor authentication. By that, you'll be able to give a second security layer to your Microsoft account. And also, the second one I was able to explain here is password. Always update your password in your Microsoft account for a maximum security protection. The very last one here is your device login activity. This is also important because it tells you if you have any intruder in your Microsoft account. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about Microsoft account like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.